Honda Philippines Incorporated once again invited all Honda riders and enthusiasts in the northern area of the country to join its 23rd Honda one-week race XRM Supermoto Challenge, recently at the MV Gallego Foundation Colleges in Zulueta, Cabanatuan City.
Kumusta naman yung laban natin ngayon?
Okay naman, sir. And medyo nahirapan ako. Marami ako nasalihan ngayon today kasi meron ng inad na event yung 125 open. So, naging tatlo na instead of dalawa lang. Naging tatlo. And bawat races ko, bawat race ko, so 20 laps yun. So, medyo napagod.
Yung track natin ngayon, 400 meters lang. Pero tingin ko nahirapan yung mga riders. Biro mo 20 laps, 400 meters, pero very difficult. Tingin mo, ako nakita ko lang, hirap na hirap yung mga riders.
Yes, sir. Mas mahirap kasi pas maigse kasi wala kang time para makapag-relax. Not like pag mahaba, medyo makakapag-relax ka and makakapagpahinga ka. Not like pag maigse, corners lang agad. And also, very rough yung race track. So, naging very exciting.
Yeah, very exciting. Hindi lang exciting, kundi very challenging, di ba?
That's right, sir.
Okay, siya po, wala nang iba. Joby, ha? Sa susunod ng mga race, huwag ka mawawala.
Hindi ako mawawala. Basta, event ng Honda, nandun ako.
At katabi ko dito, walang iba kundi ang mabait na anak ni Joby, si Janelle Saulog. Nanalo na naman. Janelle, kumusta ngayon yung race mo?
Okay lang. Compared to before, kasi medyo maliit yung track ngayon, so medyo okay siya.
Following the footsteps of Dad, okay? So, si Janelle din, isang regular namin sa Honda One Week Race. So, Janelle, say something to Spotlight TV fans.
I want to encourage everyone to join. It's not just for boys. For the girls, you can show the boys that you can do something that they can do and you can do better. Parang ganun.
Well said. So, itong one-make race natin, hindi lang for the boys, but also for ladies like Janelle.
Even under the heat of the sun, more than 100 motorcycle enthusiasts from all over the region and nearby provinces, including some champion riders from Metro Manila, lined up to participate in the most thrilling motorcycle event to hit Cabanatuan City. The Supermoto Challenge became an opportunity for aspiring riders in the region to feel a breathtaking race in a legitimate and safe racing environment. Before the formal opening of the day's racing activity, motocross champion rider Joby Saulog conducted a race clinic to orient the riders, especially the beginners, on the proper riding posture, attitude, and riding techniques. 90,000 in total cash prizes were given away to all the participants who joined in the 7 different categories.
Jerry, nanalo ka naman ngayon. Ano ba masasabi mo ngayon? Very short yung course natin.
Bali sir, naka-2 first din ako sa XRM 125 modified tsaka sa expert stock. Sa expert modified medyo di tayo sinuwerte kasi naka-4 na beses ako sumemplang eh. Pero at least nakapasok pa rin ako sa top 5.
Ano masasabi mo sa track ngayon? Short course siya pero very challenging ba?
Ano siya, sa umpisa, nung practice namin, wala pa mga bumps. Nung last race na, puro lumabas na yung mga bato, tsaka marami ng bumps, kaya medyo madulas na. Madami na sumisemplang. Pero okay, safe naman siya.
Safe naman siya. Marami nga sumemplang. That's exciting part of it. At saka yung challenging ika nga. Yan. Okay, Jerry. Maraming salamat agad. And see you in future Honda One Make Races. Yung track natin dito kanina, may sabi nga ng mga ibang na-interview kong mga winners. Short, but very challenging. Especially nung medyo tumatagal na may mga uka-uka ng gayan. Especially kayong naging last race na, no? So, anong napansin mo sa track?
Marami ng rats. So, buti na lang yung gamit namin, XR200. So, ina-absorb na yung mga rats. Pero kung medyo mas maliit, XR, medyo mas mahirap. Pero buti na lang, 200R dala namin.
Yeah. Alam mo ba yung XR200? May iba lang tayo. Yung XR200 namin actually is a breed of the CRF also.
Yeah.
No? Kumbaga, younger brother yan ng CRF namin. Yung nakita natin ginagamit sa motocross. Yan, kumbaga, yan ang kapatid niyang mas bunso, kumbaga. So kung makita mo nga kanina, ang ganda yun ng performance niya, no? Tumatalon-talon din.
Talagang kuan, para na ring racing bike.
Okay. So again, Mr. Di Guzman, maraming salamat po from Honda Philippines. Again, we would like to congratulate you at saka nais namin magpasalamat sa mga taga-Kabanatuan at kami pinaunlakang mag-hold dito ng Honda One Week Race.
Ako nagpapasalamat din ng malaki at nagkaroon ng ganitong malaking event dito kundi sa Honda Philippines at saka sa mga dealers ng Honda dito. Nagpapasalamat din kami at nagkaroon ng isang malaking ganitong event. Sana maulit-ulit.
Catch more of the Honda One Week Race XRM Super Moto Challenge Race Series exclusively here on the Philippines' most viewed motoring and motorsport show. You're watching the globally recognized Stoplight TV.